Despite highly commendable diplomatic strategies played by Pakistan, the current government or Prime Minister of Pakistan on the international stage of world politics, where Pakistan has now ensured that the biggest problem or the conflict of the contemporary, that was between the United States of America and Israel on one hand and Iran on the other hand, it has to stop. The same conflict which had caused the disruption of oil enormously, the same conflict which had caused enormous or huge civil devastation, injuries, and displacements. But Pakistan had brokered a ceasefire, and upon its initial stages, Pakistan has ensured two things: one, the restoration of the freedom of navigation at the Strait of Hormuz, and an immediate 2 week ceasefire. Now, the parties from both countries, that is United States of America and Iran, are coming to Islamabad in the diplomatic enclaves for April 9th and April 10th, 2026. So, to come to a consensus or an agreement. But amid this entire situation, there is one another austere development worth criticism that has happened or that took place, that Israel once again illogically, illegally, and immorally, and that too unjustifiably, attacked or arranged an incursion in the Lebanese territory, where within 10 minutes of 100 airstrikes, it caused around 254 casualties. Yes, 254 innocent civilian casualties, and more than 1,000 were injured, wounded, and hundreds were displaced once again. This unjustified incursion led by Israel in the Lebanese territory, that led to a lot of lives lost, that led to enormous amount of wounds and injuries in people and various kind of displacement within Lebanese territory. This also brought up a huge condemnation, not from the countries that were in the Israeli lobby at the first place, but also from countries like Pakistan, who hold now a significant importance as they have brokered the ceasefire between United States of America and Iran. The Vice President of United States of America had explicitly said that Israel promised to show restraint once the ceasefire would be brokered, but that has not been apparently the case. As far as Pakistan's prerogative in this regard is concerned, Pakistan had also said that these heinous crimes by Israel needs to stop, and had also notified the authorities of the United States of America. And on the other hand, Iran had once again threatened with the closure of Strait of Hormuz, and intense kind of bombardments on Israeli territories through Hezbollah in Lebanon, so that Iran and these authorities shall make it even with Israel once again, because there was no point that once the ceasefire was brokered. So why did Israel still choose to attack the Lebanese territory, ending up devastating and obliterating the lives of hundreds and hundreds of people? So even on one hand, there is a high level talks going on, the arrangements of high level talks are going on in Islamabad, Pakistan. On the other hand, such kind of development took place between Israel and Lebanon. But now, as far as this entire situation is concerned, one thing that has been apparent is that Israel this time bought a lot of condemnation, even from the countries who still had inclinations or who were known to be in the Israeli lobby. So this really does not look so good for Israel this time.